Hello guys, it's Mr. Miles again. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time guys, and today it was a nice day, and we are always expecting the best in trading, and I wish you all the best. So today the reason why I'm making this video is I'm gonna be explaining you, and I'm gonna be making a cool analysis on gbpusd, what we really expect before the whole of this month and even probably up to next month. It's all about your patience that you can really hit this trade, okay? And what really happened and why we took the sell, and I'm going to explain to you all that, and I'm going to explain to you how you are going to be analyzing your trade. So let's start, guys. The first thing is that when I looked at gbpusd, okay, I first look at the monthly candle, okay, the last month candle. I first go to that chart, okay, then I'm gonna look for what we call, let me first delete this, then I can draw it again. Then I'm gonna be explaining them. Okay, that is our monthly chart of gbpusd. Let me zoom a bit. So I'm gonna draw my points, specific points of my special round numbers, okay? That is the point. And that is the point. I'd rather mark those. That is the, so this point here, if you look at this price 1.42200 and this price 1.3822, this is our monthly chart. So the first thing that I know is what I'm expecting is I don't expect any candle to close above this price. I don't expect that to happen completely. I don't expect any candle to close above this price 1.42200. Okay, if you want to learn more about round numbers, you can just hit me up and I can teach you about that. So I don't expect any candle to close above that. So let me explain to you this. After I've analyzed in my monthly chart, okay, let's go to weekly. What really happened in weekly in the course of the week? This is my weekly chart. I want you to look at this. This is my weekly chart. This is the price that I just marked, 1.42200. Look at what price did here, guys. Price rejected that point even. In the previous weeks, price rejected that point, okay? But we are now analyzing the market, so we shall start from monthly chart. I tell you guys, when you're analyzing your market, start from the top down analysis. Start from monthly coming down. If you don't see anything important in any time frame, then don't force the market. So look at this. There was a nice rejection of this price, and price respected it earlier on in other weeks, okay? But in the same month, so then price also was in, or at this point it was at the point of, let's say it was at the point of resistance. Price came up to the point of support, then pulling back up, and so it also respected this bottom price 1.3822. Price respected that point here, okay? Okay, let's leave it and let's go to, so in my mind I know that gbpusd is a long sell, but the question is, how will I get these nice entries? Today is a Tuesday, and in this Tuesday we're gonna be looking for a sell starting from 4-hour time frame, okay? So it was early in the morning. That is New York session. Look at gbpusd. We had a double top, okay? Early in the morning, price was just like this, plus nice rejection, so I had to draw this. That is the first thing that I had to do, okay? Cool. Price is also at our resistance level. That is the second thing. I came to my H1 chart. If you look at H1 chart, we had the same stuff, the same thing, okay? The same thing. Double top. Price is hitting it twice. Okay, let me give you guys a secret. If this is a double top, if price in H1, if you see price hitting that top, it means it here, and then it reverses back, it means price has rejected that point, okay? Then it goes back the second time to make another second one, okay? Then rejects it. Then if price goes back and makes a third one, guys, and rejects it, know that we are getting ready for a big push down, okay? So let's say price retests it again, the same point, and respects that top. We are getting in for a long big fall, okay? what is happening here is like the impatient traders are being sucked out. They're being sucked out. First time drops 30 pips, 20 pips, okay? Price goes back. That one who had trailed his trade is kicked out of the market, okay? Price comes back, goes back, kicked out of the market. You've been kicked twice. Be patient, guys. If you're looking for 80 pips, be patient. Get your 80 pips. When price moves to a point of 40, 35 pips, that's when you can trade the market. Then after that, we had a big push down. This was gbpusd, okay? But now, I always enter my trades in M5 and M15. You see, I was analyzing this before and I was trying to explain to someone what was really going to happen in gbpusd. So at first, gbpusd in M15, it made a nice fast fall. Okay, we entered a trade gbpusd today. Okay, price did not move today so much because we entered our trades in London session in the morning, okay? Then from London session up to New York, price is not moving. But when price reached the New York session, that's when we saw price starting to move, okay? So all it calls is patience. A patient trader now would have got all these pips, okay? Enter your trade and leave your PC and move away. Set your stop loss and take profit and give your trade time, guys. If you don't give your trade time, no pips for you, no money for you. To be honest, guys, if you're not patient in the market, nothing, okay? If you trade with emotions, nothing. Because let me tell you one thing. If you use proper risk management, you're not going to be having a lot of emotions, okay? But if you use a lot size that you know very well you can't afford to lose, then you're going to be emotional, and that is already a bad trade for you. Patience and use a proper risk management and take the risk that you know if you lose, it doesn't take much. Only risk 2% of your capital. I will teach you that on how to risk your equity and know how much you're gonna be losing. So that is really what happened in M15. It was so nice, a nice fall, or we had a nice lower low here. I drew my other block, price had to retest it, and there was a big push down, okay? So what is going to happen? Those who are trying to chase the trade, we are just going to have a small pullback of gbpusd and price goes still down, because I told you gbpusd is going to be a long sell. To be honest, price can just reset to this point. We can just have a back test to this point, okay? Should be looking for special round numbers at this point, then price will automatically fall. So those who are trying to chase the trade, fighting for momentum, yes, you'll enter the trade, okay? Don't chase a trade. When you see that you've missed a trade, wait for a pullback and wait for the second move, because price always moves in levels, okay? It moves in waves. You guys can get me, okay? So that is how price moves. Let's check M5. There is M5. I also use M5 for my entries always. But if you don't see anything special in the market, then don't enter that point. So I told you gbpusd is going to be a long sell. Long sell, because if you make your top down analysis, it's going to be a long sell. Let me give you an example what really happened today. This is my Telegram group. Those, if you feel like joining, you're free to join. If you feel like joining, you're free to join. So this was my trades today. gbpusd, gbpnzd, euro gbp, okay? gbpnzd had moved a bit down, though it pulled back, hitting our trails. But if you look at gbpusd, that was a nice push, guys, okay? Nice push. If you feel like joining, you're free to join. You can just alert me. I can tell you the procedure of how to join. So, and I'm going to be making again another video of a real analysis, because we are just analyzing what is really going to happen in the direction. So if you know gbpusd is going to be a long sell, so you're just going to be looking for nice sell entries. That is all you're going to be looking for, and it takes so much cool to have a nice entry, guys. If you have a nice entry, cool, that's so cool. If you have an entry that your stop loss is maximum 20 or 25 pips and you're targeting 70 pips, that's cool. And before I end this class, guys, like before I end this video, if you're looking for you're struggling with your broker, you can just check below this video. I'll be commenting a link of the broker. Just click on the link and open your account with the broker. And if you want to also join my group, you can just check my WhatsApp number. It's just below the video, and you can message me and we can talk. So for right now, guys, I wish you all the best. Catch up next time. And if you're not in my free group forex setups, you can just join. It's a free group. You'll also check the link. You'll just click the link and you join my group. I always analyze and tell you that this is likely to happen, but I don't give you the entry points. Okay, like I don't give you the like a real entry, sniper entry. Yeah, but you can join the group. Okay, it can help you too. So for now, I wish you all the best, guys. Have a nice time. Bye.